Well, Alberta Public Health is now confirming that 19 people were sickened by the salmonella bacteria after eating food at a popular Edmonton music festival 3 weeks ago. The infection can be frightening, causing gastroenteritis, high fever, and for one woman, even emergency surgery. CTV's Nahreman Issa reports.
A summertime staple for Talia Johnson.
I ate there on the Friday night and I didn't feel sick until the Monday after.
Was anything but music to her ears.
My fever was so high, it was horrible.
At Johnson's fourth year visiting the Edmonton Folk Music Festival, she ate at a food booth. 3 days later, she became ill, visiting a doctor to get tested. After a week of no improvement, she went to the hospital.
A doctor came up to me while I was in the bed and said that I had appendicitis and that I would need surgery in just a couple hours, and they said it was from the salmonella.
Alberta Health Services confirming a salmonella outbreak. 19 cases, all linked to the Haweli food booth Johnson ate at. Folk Festival producer Terry Wickham says news of the outbreak is upsetting. In the 29 years involved with the festival, he says he never encountered anything like this.
The patrons can have my guarantee that we'll, go to the ends of the earth to make sure it doesn't happen again.
The sickness kept Johnson from working. This email from a public inspector instructing her not to work anywhere involving food handling, patient care, or the care of young children until she is healthy.
I actually had to miss 2 weeks of the camp, and then also I have a job at a restaurant, so I have to miss an additional 2 weeks.
Despite this ordeal, Johnson is looking forward to next year's festival, but under one condition.
I'm a little bit scared now, so I think I'll probably bring my own food.
We have reached out to Haweli restaurant for comment, but our calls were not returned. As for the restaurant itself, a public health inspection revealed it was not linked to any of the cases of the salmonella outbreak. Meantime, Alberta Health Services says there's little ongoing risk to the public. Nahreman Issa, CTV News, Edmonton.